Welcome to the ninth tutorial in the Cocos2d JavaScript tutorial series, and in this tutorial we'll be looking at positioning a sprite. You can use it to position any sort of item, but we'll be using a sprite using the BezierTo. In the previous tutorial we looked at the Bezier by, which allowed you to position a sprite along the curve, move it along the curve, but that was relative to the starting position and the curve was always the same. Whereas the BezierTo, the curve may be different, but the end position will always be the same. For example, very similar to the move to and the jump to. We'll be using the code from tutorial 3, and there'll be a link in the description to that source code, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced in this tutorial. So let's just open up the Xcode project from tutorial 3. Once it's opened, we want to go to the myapp.js. Below where we've added sprite, we want to create a variable called Bezier. In here, we'll store the actual coordinates of the curve point 1, curve point 2, and the end point as well. Do cc.p, open bracket, we'll put 0, comma, size dot height divided by 2, close bracket, comma, cc.p, open bracket 100, comma, minus size dot height divided by 2, close bracket, comma, cc.p, open bracket 100, comma 100, close bracket, semicolon. Let's just sort out the formatting. Now we need to actually create an action for these coordinates, so we're going to do var sprite underscore action equals cc.bezier2 dot create. Open bracket, first we put the duration of the animation, we're going to put 3 seconds, comma, now we put the coordinate variable, Bezier, close bracket, semicolon, let's sort out the positioning. Now we just need to do this, dot my sprite dot run, action, open bracket, sprite action, close bracket, semicolon. Now we should just run it in the simulator and you'll see a curve. Here we go. There you go. You saw the actual sprite move along the curve. It started in the middle, which is roughly around about here, and then you did a curve similar to this. You can obviously change the endpoint and the curve 1 and 2 points to suit your needs. Perhaps you want a game very similar to Angry Birds or Flight Control or something like that, and this combined with some other methods such as the move by and the move to is very powerful. In the next tutorial we'll be looking at the place method, but that's for the next tutorial. Well, thanks for watching.